attend. I'm with the Duzo Kumed here and the honor of the song Ibambe 2018. Can you tell us more about the song?
Well, you know that Nelson Mandela was arrested 27 years, and at the end he came out as being president, you know. What I'm trying to say is energy is the ability to do it. You all know that. That means that we must study technology at school. We must not ignore technology at school. What I'm trying to say, the main theme of this song is that you see when you use mathematical speaking actually. Mathematical speaking, when you compose a song, you should multiply all the bits and bracketize everything that may come upon in your mind as you write the lyrics of the song. And what I'm trying to say is the song Mbambe Ntoyami is the best song ever that I have ever composed. I hope you understand.
Okay, can you tell us your collaboration? How are you collaborating on this song?
When David in the olden days went to defeat Goliath, he was never afraid of Goliath, although Goliath was the biggest man ever. He just used a simple technique. He just takes stone and beats David, and beats Goliath actually, and Goliath was simply collapsed. And what I'm trying to say that Casper Nyovest on the song did a very good job. I didn't afraid also to feature Casper Nyovest on the song. That's what I was trying to say.
So do you see this song making waves throughout this year?
When you boil egg, there are two options. It's either you want to eat a scrambled one or the full boiled. What I'm trying to say is that when you fry also egg, there are two options also too. You can eat it as a scrambled one or a half cold. I hope you understand on that one.
Exactly, I do understand Nduduzo. We have heard from him, Nduduzo, the owner of the song, Ibambe Ntoyami. After the break,